how to put a link in a resume in Canva. So here's what we want to do. Just load up Canva and I will search for a resume template here. So I'm going to type resume, and for example, let's do this one. So I'll just click on it and it's going to load up like this. Now, if you want to add a link, it's very simple. Here, as we can see from the example, you will see www.reallygreatsite.com. Now, this link is added, but it's not clickable. Now, how can we actually make this website clickable? So first, I will just change it to Google. So I'll type www.google.com. And now I can make this link clickable in my resume. So how I do that, I will go to Google itself. And here in the URL bar, I will just right click and copy the website. Now I'll click on the text here, then select the three dots, and you should be able to see this option for link, or you can press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. Click on link, and then here I will just right click and paste my link, which is going to be Google. Now if I click on done and somebody clicks on this link, as you can see, it is underlined, which means that once a person clicks on it, they will be referred to the website. That's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.